how to edit images with DALL-E 3 AI. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your ChatGPT and over here you need to get the ChatGPT 4 in order to use DALL-E 3. And for that, just simply click on this option of ChatGPT 3.5 and here you get the option to choose the option of GPT-4, and with GPT-4 you would be getting DALL-E 3. And after selecting it, you just have to put the command like let's create an image of hippopotamus eating a watermelon, and this way you would be able to create an image. After that, just simply select that particular image, and this way you would be able to find the select tool on that particular image. Simply click on it and select any particular area of that particular image, and you can just simply type the command or give the ChatGPT command and make changes to it according to your words. So your text will be making changes in that particular image, and this is how it will work. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.